Welcome to Myclass, your class.
Today's video, alphabet, letter L. Hi friends. Today, we're learning about an amazing letter, the letter L. Did you know the letter L makes the sound la? Let's find out all about it. L is for lion. Meet the lion. Lions are big cats called the king of the jungle. They roar loudly. Can you roar like a lion? L is for lemur. Lemurs live in trees and have big, bushy tails. Isn't that cool? L is for lamp. Lamps help us see when it's dark. Can you think of a lamp in your house? L is for ladder. Ladders help us reach high places safely. Remember, always use a ladder with an adult. L is for lollipops. Did you know lollipops come in so many flavors? What's your favorite flavor? Mine is strawberry. L is for leaves. Did you know they help trees make their food? We had so much fun learning about the letter L. I'll see you next time for more alphabet adventures. Bye for now.